this is Dikshita. Welcome to my channel, Square Vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy paper butterfly. See, the butterfly be like this. I did 3. One is origami sheet and one is white sheet. Now this is 4th one means. Now I'm going to start. For that you need a square paper, okay, and a pair of scissors, okay. First you fold to a side, okay, and crease it nicely. To this corner you should fold. Okay, I'm going to fold everything. Okay, now this folding should get a big triangle. I take a big square, it's a big triangle. Middle. In the paper board I will show here to here. That you should, how to make I will show. Okay. I'm going to take one fold here. Okay. I'm going to crease it nicely with my hands. See how it came like this. See, you should fold like this. I'm getting 4 steps. Okay, now let's open this part and turn it upside down. Okay, now take one side and take that corner and other corner you should take off. See, it will come like this. Okay. And fold it to here. This step was very important, and I'm going to take this corner. Okay. The other triangle we should get. See, can you see down? I have get like this. After that, you should fold to this corner, to this corner. Like this, you should fold. Okay? And now take the scissors and cut it neatly in this only corner. Okay? And cut off. Put away. Okay? Now I'm going to open, you can see the magic. See? I fold it now like this and I'm going to cut now. After that folding it's come 2 and from that you should take 1. See, I get two sides. Okay? Now I'm going to fold to just here to here. Okay, like this you should fold. This step is very important. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. And you should get like this. Can you see? And this corner should be front of you. Okay. I'm going to fold off back. I'm going to crease. Okay. I'm going to crease nicely. And I'm going to tuck into this. I'm going to tuck. Okay. I'm going to tuck off. See, my butterfly is ready. It can fly like this. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Wish you luck. our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.